and welcome back to my channel. This is Lan with GreenLanGrow. Today I want to show you how you can separate multiple seedlings that were sown in the same container. Remember last time I sowed 3 baby cucumber seeds in the same container? Well, they all sprouted. And I think it's time they each get their new home, because I think every seedling deserves their own home. Now, I'm gonna transplant them. Before I start, I want to be prepared. I want to have a properly sized cup like this one, which is filled with pre-moistened seedling mix, labeled with Persian baby so I don't forget the variety of my cucumber, and I'm just about ready. I want to transplant these little seedlings today because I don't want the roots to become too tangled up, making it harder to separate later on. The reason I pre-fill my soil is so that I don't want my baby little seedlings to be exposed to the elements longer than necessary. Let's get into it. Believe it or not, it started raining, so I had to put up my umbrella. Now I would very, very, very gently take out these seedlings. I cannot stress this enough. You must be very gentle. Going to gently poke around like this. And then I'm going to take the seedling out. There we go. Here is this baby cucumber seedling. Look how cute he is. Now I'm going to use this handy dandy widger to poke a small hole in one of my containers, big enough for this baby plant's root. Now I'm going to fit it in. The more soil you take with this root ball, the higher chance it has of surviving, because it has more of its natural environment in it. Now I'm going to gently transplant it in. Put it in just like that. You want to very, very gently press to make sure the seedling doesn't fall over. Like that. Here is my first transplanted seedling. Now that they're all tucked into their home safe and sound, I'm going to put them in a very, very diluted liquid fertilizer. The reason I put it in a very diluted liquid fertilizer is because I do not want these poor little plants to be burned. Because if your fertilizer is too strong, it can actually hurt your plants instead of help them. There we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And drop a comment. We'll make sure to respond to you right away. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.